Today I will show you how to change a color to any color in Photoshop. First, go to Select and choose Subject. We only need to select the t-shirt. Choose the Quick Selection tool. Hold Alt and click to remove these extra selections. To add a selection, just click on what you want to add. Hold Alt and click to remove these extra selections. Now let's create a new folder. Add a layer mask. Let's rename it. Right-click and let's choose a color for this folder. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Click on Colorize. Set the saturation to 50%. You can play around with the hue to choose the color that you want. You can always adjust the selection, but I am not going to do that for this tutorial. Let's add some contrast. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Curves. You can adjust the contrast of the image by using this Curves adjustment layer like this. Now let me show you how to change the color to black. Click on the curves and let's reset it. Also click on the hue saturation and reset it. Set the saturation to -100%. Bring the lightness down as well. As you bring it to about here, it looks fake. So just bring this up just a little bit. Then go to Curves Adjustment Layer. Make the dark a little bit darker. And the light a little bit lighter. To do the white color, you just have to do the exact opposite. Let me show you how. Click on the curves and let's reset it. Also click on the hue saturation and reset it. Set the saturation to -100%. You take your lightness and instead of going all the way to the right, we're going to go to right about here. Adjust the curves like this. Follow this process. You can always adjust the selection. Let me show you how to fix this part. Click on the mask. Go to Filter, Other, choose Maximum. Set the radius to 1 and then press OK. This part is fixed, but you also need to adjust other part. You can take your time to adjust that. I am not going to do that in this tutorial. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. You can show support by buying super thanks under each video in my channel. You can choose the amount that you want. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.